My name is Ace Joker Estoque, BS Criminology, second year dash 5. I will explain the function of each part of a front of the digital camera. First, we have the built-in flash, help ensure that the subject in your photos are adequately lit, especially when there is inefficient natural light available. Next, digital intermediate or D button is a motion picture finishing process which classically involves digitizing a motion picture and manipulating the color and other image characteristics. Next, infrared receiver detects the signal the camera to open the shutter. IR detectors receivers are little microchips with a photocell that are tuned to listen to infrared light. Next, lens mounting mark is used to align and attach a camera lens correctly to the camera body. 6. We have a stereo microphones are valued from their ability to capture audio with depth, directionality, and a sense of space, making them a versatile tool for various audio recording needs. 7. We have a lens release button. It's a feature found on many interchangeable lens cameras. Its primary function is to allow you to attach or detach camera lenses from the camera body safely and easily. 8. We have a HDMI connector door, also referred to as the connector cover, allows access to both of the camera's connector port, the HDMI connector port, and the multi-connector port in order to keep the connectors protected from outside damage. The connector door needs to be intact. 9. An accessory terminal typically refers to a connection point or port on a device, often a camera that allows for the attachment or various accessories and paraphernalia. This terminal enables the device to expand its functionality or interface with other equipment. 10. The AF mode button on the camera typically stands for the autofocus mode button. This button allows you to select the change the autofocus settings and modes of your camera. 11. The focus mode selector is an essential tool for photographers as it allows them to adapt their camera's autofocus system to various shooting scenarios from capturing stationary subjects to fast-moving action. 12. The meter coupling lever is a component found on some older manual focus cameras, particularly those with through-the-lens TTL light metering system. This lever plays a crucial role in connecting the camera exposure metering system with the camera's lens and aperture settings. 13. The mirror moves rapidly out of the way, allowing the camera's image sensor or film, depending on whether it's a digital or film camera, to be exposed to the incoming light. 14. USB connectors are widely used for a variant of purposes including transferring data between devices, changing smartphones and other gadgets, connecting external storage, and much more. 15. The connector for an external microphone. On most devices including cameras, smartphones, and audio recorders is typically a 3.5 mm audio jack. This connector is also known as a 3.5 mm microphone input or 3.5 mm microphone jack. It's a common interface for connecting external microphones to capture higher quality audio compared to the built-in microphones on these devices. 16. an HDMI high-definition multimedia interface. Connector is a standardized audio audio-video interface used from transmitted high-definition digital video and audio signals between various devices. 17. The accessory terminal. On the camera refers to a specific port or connection point that allows you to attach various accessories and paraphernalia to your camera. This terminal expands the functionality of the camera and enables it to interface with a wide range of external devices and accessories. Last, we have 18 headphone connector. For video recording, having a headphone port enables the videographer to use a headphone to monitor the output of the microphone accurately. If you are using the microphone on the camera for recording sound. Next, I will explain back of the digital camera. First, we have a viewfinder eyepiece. Some cameras, especially DSLR, have an optical or electronic viewfinder on the back. This allows you to frame your shot without using the LCD screen, which can be especially useful in a bright sunlight. Second, we have the rubber eye cap. Is especially useful in bright outdoor condition because it can shield your eye from glare and external light sources, allowing you to see the image in the viewfinder more clearly. It can often be folded down or adjusted to accommodate user who wear eyeglasses. Third, we have a delete button. Primary function is to allow you to delete unwanted or unnecessary photos from your camera's memory card or external storage. 4. Playback button. Primary function is to allow you to review and view the photos and videos that you previously taken with your camera. Next, the menu button is essential for configuring your camera to suit your specific photographic needs and preference. It's where you can make adjustments to tailor your camera's behavior, ensuring your capture image or videos with the desired settings. Next, we have white balance, WB. Refers to the color temperature of the light in your scene and help ensure that white objects appear truly white in your photos rather than having unwanted color cast. 8. We have a mirroring option button. Describes the process of how your camera decided to assign the right shutter speed and aperture based on the amount of light the camera can pick up. 9. Qual button. Set the image comprehension, image file format, and image size. 10. Diopter adjustment. Control is a critical step in ensuring that your view through the finder is clear and not blurry. 11. Exposure lock is used to lock in a specific exposure setting, typically the exposure values for a particular scene or subject. This ensures that the exposure remains consistent even if the lighting condition change or if you recompose your shot. 12. Speakers. Primary function is to reproduce sounds, allowing you to hear audio playback alerts and various camera-related sounds. 13. Command dial. Serves as a versatile control for adjusting various camera settings quickly. 14. The focus selector lock. Can be rotate the lock L position following selection to prevent the selected focus point from changing when the multi-selector is pressed. 15. Pressing the LB button activates live view mode, which turns on the camera's LCD screens and displays a live feed on the scenes in front of the lens. 16. The multi-selector is a versatile control that allows you to navigate menus, select focus points, and perform various other functions. 17. Memory card slot covers. Primary function is to safeguard the memory card slot and the inserted memory card from dust, moisture, and physical damage. 18. OK button is to confirm selections and execute actions within the camera's menu system and settings. 19. Infrared receivers. Function is to receive signals from the infrared remote control device, allowing you to remotely control certain camera functions without physically touching the camera. 20. Focus selector lock allows you to lock the camera's autofocus AF point or focus area to prevent accidental changes while shooting. 21. The memory card access lamp, often simply referred to as the card access lamp or card slot indicator, is a small LED or light indicator found on digital cameras. Its primary function is to provide feedback to the user regarding the status of the camera's memory card, particularly when it's being read from or written to. Last, 22, the info button on a digital camera is a control that provides access to various information displays and setting on the camera's LCD screen. Its primary function is to toggle between different levels of information and setting overlays, allowing you to view and adjustment camera parameters.